जो हमारा कम्युनिटी है उसमें जाके बात करेंगे, तो बात करके फिर
Today afternoon being the first meeting invited by the government to the committee of Harijan colony, I would like to inform you that the meeting went well, very productive meeting we had. And then from the government side, I have already told them very candidly that the relocation has to take place as per the recommendation made by the high-level committee, and then alternative places for them is also being considered by the government, where they can shift to, if not in one place, maybe to different places. So I've told them, see, you please take back this information to your community, discuss with them, and then please come back to the government, because this is as per the indication made in the Honorable High Court. Even the Honorable High Court would like to see that settlement is happen at the earliest possible before they proceed for the cases. So therefore, I'm so happy today. The members, the chairman, the secretary, and another two members of the committee, they came and met me in the meeting. We have discussed openly, frankly. So now they will go back, and then another meeting we will have is fixed on the 25th of this month again, 3 o'clock in the same place. So maybe in the second meeting, I will be able to tell you exactly what is the status of the issue of relocation of that place, Harijan colony, to right now we are on a job. We are on a job. Few places we have identified, but I cannot tell you right now because we are yet to finalize everything. So let the details report be given by the concerned municipal board as well as by the urban affairs department. Then only I'll be able to tell you exactly where is the location to be shifted for these friends or brothers, sisters of ours who stays there in Harijan. They are also happy, and they said that they'll go back and take the confidence and then the consent of each and every citizens who stays in that Harijan. In fact, the total household of that place, not in terms of population, in terms of household, we have 342. I think I've already told you that time, it's about 300 plus. 300 plus means 300 plus in, you know, with the numbers given by the committee, and because 342 numbers of household is already even submitted to the Honorable High Court, and even from our department we have checked it and it is tallied 342 numbers of the house. Right now, in fact, the quarters is being repaired. The repairing work is still on. So once that is done, then the shifting will take place. Right now, in fact, that numbers 342. Let me just tell you, it's a little long story. 342 household. In fact, they are all employees, not only the employees of the existing strength, but the employees of maybe 15 years back, 10 years back, and then again their children, they continue working. So this is what we already ultimately got the numbers of 342 families. And I planned alternate land, because see, building without land, I think you cannot construct. How can you say building or land? Building will come up unless we identify the land. So right now we have already entrusted, we have instructed Shillong Municipal Board and along with the Directorate of Urban Affairs Department to identify appropriate land come back and then government will take a final decision on that. Done?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.